Sir, what? Who? That figure is a Ginger, Black penis! Man, who gives a shit? Why is fucking bikini? Bikini bottom? I figured it out, slime. Bikini fucking dog. Shaggy, I'm fine. Shaggy, I'm not fucking you right now. You know what? I'm married to Blair on September 11th. I'm married to the Flying Dutchman since June 24th, 2026. Nah, bro predicted the past. Bro predicted Delta in Chapter 5. Bro, I was married to Bluey since Thanksgiving. Why? I don't know, because I felt like it. Little brown bear, you know what? Bro, Muhammad Ali didn't die for this.
Not even if you were.
Q has a new tin roof brownie blizzard. Chewy brownie.
Rich chocolate sauce?
Sorry, got a thing for chocolatey covered pizza. It's exciting.
The tin roof brownie.